If you guys would like to learn how to make this flashlight in Roblox Studio, which turns on and off, and has sound effects with it, then you're gonna have to watch this whole video.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Noodle Gamer here, and welcome to the tutorial of how to make a flashlight in Roblox Studio. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a new video. So, let's get started. First off, we're going to make our handle for our flashlight, so I'm going to paste in my own handle. Now once you have your handle or tool, then you're going to name it to Handle with a capital H, and the rest just turn capitals off. Now once you have your handle, we are going to make our tool. So click the plus, insert a tool. We're going to name our tool to flashlight. Now, once you have your tool, we're going to drag our handle into the flashlight. Now, we are going to edit the tool grip by using Clone Trooper 1019's Tool Grip Editor. Edit Tool Grip, and then you get to edit Tool Grip. As you can see, this looks a little bit weird, so I'm going to make it so it looks better. I think that looks way better, so I'm going to exit out of the Tool Grip Editor. And as you see when you click play, and load in with your flashlight, as you can see, it looks perfectly welded to the player's hand. Now we're going to edit or make our spotlight for our light. So we're going to design the light for our flashlight. So click the plus, and we're going to search for spotlight. So spotlight. Now, as you can see, it's very hard to find or see. So we are going to select the lightning, scroll down, and we are going to change clock time to 22. And as you can see, our light is a bit more visible. Now let's make the brightness a bit more higher. I think that I'm just going to set it to 5. I think that is good. Now once you have your spotlight, we're going to select it, and we're going to set enabled to false. Now you cannot see the spotlight at all. Now let's start making our sound for our tool. So we're going to click this, and we are going to find a sound for our flashlight. So click the arrow, and we are going to look for audio. Now we are going to say flashlight, search, And now we're going to find our sound for our flashlight. So, okay, this one is pretty good, so I'm going to click Insert. And we're going to rename this to just Sound. And now we're going to put our sound into the block. And we're going to see if it's there. Click the arrow. And as you can see, we have our sound. Now we have the full design for our handle. Now get your handle and put it inside of the flashlight. Now let's start scripting. Click the plus and insert a script. I'm going to zoom in, clear print hello world, and let's start making our variables. So local tool equals script.Parent. Local handle equals Tool.Handle. Now we're going to say local sound equals to Handle.Sound. Now we're going to say local light equals to Handle.SpotLight. Now you should have all of your variables for your script. Now we're going to say Tool.Activated connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket. Now click enter, and as you can see, an end should appear for you. Now we're going to say Light.Enabled equals to not, and then we're going to copy what we just said, so Control C, and then we're going to paste it, so Control V. And as you can see, when we click play and click, as you can see, our flashlight turns on and off when we click again. Now let's get to making our sound effects. So go back to the script, and we're going to say sound play open bracket close bracket. Now let's go to base plate and click the play. And as you see, when we load in and click, the sound effect plays and our light turns on. When we click again, the sound effect plays again. And we have a realistically turning on and off flashlight in Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next video.